Hello everyone, my name is Chikku. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Chick. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and versatile programming languages out there, Python. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your coding skills in Python, this video is for you. Let's get started. Introduction of Python. Before going into the introduction of Python, let's know the importance of Python, which is what Python can do, and what makes it different from other programming languages. Why Python? Python have simple syntax, similar to the English languages. There is no need to keep semicolons after every line in Python. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc., which makes Python as a platform-independent language. Because of its simplicity, it allows developers to write programs with fewer lines of code. It runs on an interpreted system, which means code can be executed as soon as it is written, making prototyping very quick. Whereas in compiled languages, code should be written completely to execute. Python's simplicity and versatility make it an excellent choice for many applications. But what exactly can you do with Python? What can Python do? Data science and machine learning. Machine learning and data science have great advantages when used with Python. This is because of the extensive libraries built in Python. Data analysis. Python can build various data visualizations, like line and bar graphs, pie charts, histograms, and 3D plots. Python also has many libraries that enable coders to write programs for data analysis more quickly and efficiently. Web development. Django and Flask are two popular Python-based web frameworks that are used to create web applications. Game development. Python can be used to code a variety of games. Pygame is a library in Python which makes it easier to develop your own games. Embedded system and robotics. Developing embedded systems and robots using Python has become increasingly popular due to Python's libraries. Tools required: CircuitPython, MicroPython, Python robotics. Some other domains in which Python is used are software testing, data mining, desktop applications development. From web development to data science, Python have got you covered. I hope you have got to know what Python can do. Now let's get into the introduction of Python. I hope everyone have got to know the importance of Python and what makes Python to stand out among other programming languages. Now let's get into the introduction of Python. To give the introduction of Python, we have a friend with us. He is Robbie.
Hello everyone, my name is Robbie. I have a small request. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and tech content.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Everyone are afraid of pythons.
Yes, even I am afraid of pythons a lot. Oh, they try to eat me.
Then why a programming language is named as a python? Okay, let's get started. History of Python. Python was created by a Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum in the year 1989 in Netherlands and came into existence in the year 1991.
I have a doubt. Java was created on 1995. Python came into existence before Java, right? Then why Java got popular before Python?
Good question. Guys, if you know the answer, please comment below. I will give the detailed explanation of this topic in the next video. It was initially started as a hobby project to Guido. To avoid boredom, the name Python came from Guido's being a big fan of the comedy troupe Monty Python's Flying Circus from 1970s. Versions of Python. Python's first version, which is Python 1.0, was released on January 1994. And its next version, Python 2.0, was released on October 2000. After some modifications and updating the features, Python 3.0 have released on December 2008. And the list continues. Python have got popular after releasing its version 3.0. The latest version of Python is Python 3.12.4, which was released in June 6, 2024.
Guys, please comment below if you want a detailed video on Python versions and its evolution.
Python has come a long way since its creation, with continuous improvements and new features being added. Speaking of features, let's explore what makes Python so powerful. Features of Python. Simple. Python is simple compared to other programming languages. Its syntax is easy and straightforward because it is much same as the English language. There is no need to use semicolons or curly brackets. Interpreted. Python is an interpreted language. It means the Python program is executed one line at a time. The advantage of being interpreted language, it makes debugging easy and portable. Open source. Python is an open source software, which means its source code can be freely downloaded by anyone without paying any penny. Python is available on its official website, www.python.org. It has a large community across the world that is dedicatedly working towards making new Python modules and functions. Dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. That means the variable like int, double, float, etc. is declared at runtime, not in the advance. High-level language. Python is a high-level language. While writing the programs, we do not need to remember the system architecture, nor do we need to manage the memory. Object-oriented programming. Python supports the concept of classes and objects, and also supports inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation, etc. The object-oriented procedure helps programmer to write reusable code and develop applications in less code. GUI programming. Graphical user interface is used for developing desktop applications. The libraries which are used for developing the applications are PyQt5, tkinter, Kyvi. Large Standard Library. It provides a vast range of libraries for various fields such as machine learning, data visualization, web development, etc., which makes instead of writing the code, developers can use pre-built functions.
That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you have got some valuable information. We are going to set up the Python software in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy coding.